Hi, this is Mark with Redline Trading. This is our evening newsletter. Starting with this disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities are provided by the company for educational and demonstration purposes only. Everyone should understand that trading is risky and that a person can lose a substantial amount of money. Always carefully consider your financial position prior to trading and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Now I know what is going on in Afghanistan is maybe front and foremost in everyone's mind. It's obviously a debacle and a humiliation, but it really doesn't have much of an effect on our overall economy. Chinese numbers were quite weak, and their economy is not humming along. And I am much more concerned about the economic numbers of our own economy, in terms of inflation, in terms of supply chain issues. Moving along the thesis on inflation, the rising price of gasoline, and overall the policies of the current administration. They just don't seem very small business friendly. The only sector that I find that I have a lot of confidence in moving forward is that of the semiconductors. Now, these are the Van Eck semiconductor ETF. It is pulled back from about 270 to 261, and I would leverage that as an opportunity to get in either on the stock or as a long-term option, and take a bullish position. I mean, as a side note, I also like Treasury notes, but for this particular newsletter, I'm going to stick with the semis. I like Qualcomm, I like Taiwan Semiconductor, and a whole host of additional chip companies. They're in short supply, and they are needed worldwide to pretty much make everything run. So if I had to pick one sector I thought was going to outperform the others, in tech, it would be the semis. Overall, it would still be the semis. Over the weekend, we established a bullish position in Qualcomm, and in our options portfolio, we have bullish positions on two other semiconductors. I think this is the best place to look in a very turbulent time and a very turbulent market. Everyone have a wonderful evening, and I look forward to talking with you tomorrow.